Okay, so you're doing a lot of manual stuff. So how much do you pay your VA?
Per month, it's about $600 now.
Okay, and about how many hours do they work?
I think it's 40 hours a month.
48, 15 bucks an hour. So now we can go see, we'd have to put in the time downloading registrants, um, adding tests. So let's say 15 minutes for this. And you do one workshop a month, right?
Correct. Yes.
Okay, and then adding tags in Google Sheets, uploading, say another 15 minutes. How much time do you spend on the emails?
Between the ideation and then actually capturing it, I would put down 30 minutes for myself because I do spend some time thinking about what I'm going to say.
Okay, so 30 minutes. And then workshop follow email, we'll do, just gonna put 30 because I know how it is sticking around with those. So, bam. Okay. So
Wow.
now,
That's crazy. That's crazy.
Okay. This makes it really real.
That's
Okay.
crazy. I knew Karana was coming for me anyhow. I'm like, girl, you're doing too much manual. I knew that was coming. So I was waiting for that. I was like, she gonna kill me on this, but
we're
that's
not.
okay. It's my
And she
process
ran
on
up
it.
on
I
you
created it.
smooth.
I'm proud of it. But now
She
I
I,
ran.
don't have to do it. I already did it to myself. Like, okay, I got it. I'm spending too much work.
yeah, see, I don't have to do anything anymore.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay,
Heard loud and
so
clear.
my friend who runs this amazing co-working space is always like, yeah, Corona makes people cry for a living. I'm like, would you stop saying that?
I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it because this changes the game where you don't even have to do it. It's right there in front of me.
So if I was going to make suggestions about this,
Go for it.
um, uh, let's see, this would become send registrants to,
Mm.
and it would become automated. And then this would be part of the Zap, so that would become automated. Get rid of that. This goes away entirely.
Mm.
You still get to provide your copy. And then they schedule the email. And then you're going to provide copy for both the emails. And then this is going to become a kit automation sequence. And so these three steps just become a kit sequence. And so now it's going out every time.
Karanda, I'm just going to say you need to include this in your marketing copy. You will laugh, you will cry, you will save money so that we know to come prepared with the tissues and also for the laughter. Who knew we'd be laughing looking at process mapping? Who knew?
Okay. Because it
Who
really
knew?
does call you out.
Snatching my poor edges all the way back to the middle of my head. I'm gone. I'm done. I'm okay. I'm okay. I think you need to include that in your marketing copy, Karanda. I'm just going to say it for the record.
I'm gonna do you one better and ask if I can use this video.
No, I'm more than happy. I'm more than happy. Go for it. If it saves someone else the embarrassment of seeing how much money you were spending and then what you could be spending on this.
This one
Okay.
was uh 2670 and now it's 1425. What is that?
You cut it in half.
So that's 1245, and that's just one little workshop task in your business that is probably not even the most intensive thing that you do.
No, it's not. That's why I purposely chose it because I was like, well, let me just pick something that I can easily.
You're like, let me just pick something I won't get too embarrassed.
Listen, I didn't know. I'm sorry, forgive me. I didn't know, but this is absolute brilliance in here. This is absolute brilliance because this is these are the small tasks. Like I'm always arguing with my people that we are not spending time on the tasks that make you the big money. And you now illustrated times 10 that I can be spending my time in a different way.